Hello, everyone.
Hi, everybody.
Hi, guys.
It's us again, your favorite ELA teachers.
Or your only ones, but that would definitely make us your favorite.
That's right. So this is your video recording of our lovely faces and your assignment overview for the week of May 4th. All right, I'm going to share my screen so you can see what's going on here. And here we are.
Oh, there it is.
I thought we'd make things easy this week by just giving you one document to look at. So you have this Google slide, and everything that you do is going to be on this Google slide. All the links are on here, all the videos, everything.
You're welcome.
Yeah, you're welcome. So we start off with a weekly overview. So this is just going to tell you what your assignments are for this week. So starting with Monday, it tells you that you're going to watch a video and answer questions about staying positive. You're going to have an infographic and some questions. On Tuesday and Wednesday, you're going to be doing some activities and filling out a Google form. And then on Thursday and Friday, you're going to be making another flip grid. So we'll break these down and go into a little bit more detail now.
All right, so on Monday, the first thing you're going to do is to watch a video. And this is a video about some kids and how they're staying positive. So this whole thing is about keeping a positive mental attitude and looking for the bright side, okay? So you're going to watch this very short video. It's only like 3 minutes. And you are going to list 2 things in this video about how these guys are staying positive during all this.
Okay. You're going to type right here in these boxes.
Yes, there's not even a different form or anything. You're just going to type it right there on the slide, okay? And then you are going to click this infographic link, and it is going to pull up an infographic. It looks like this, okay? So you're just going to read that infographic, look at the pictures, and you are going to record here 2 important things the infographic says about how thinking positive is good for you. Okay, so we're going to pick 2 important things and tell us what they mean.
And again, you can type right in the boxes.
Snazzy.
So easy.
Yes. And then last but not least, on Monday, these are still about the infographic and what is one way you can start to think positively. Okay, have you been doing that since the beginning, and why or why not? Right? This is all personal reflection. And again, type right there on that slide in that box.
Okay, so next up is Tuesday and Wednesday. Tuesday was supposed to be a scheduled day where you wouldn't have school, but luckily these are things that you would probably want to do at home anyways. They're pretty fun activities, so that shouldn't be a problem with your ELA work for this week. So most of what you'll be doing for these days will not be on your computer. You'll have to check on Google Classroom for the details, but you're not going to have to be sitting behind a screen or doing actual schoolwork for these activities.
Actually, I'm going to delete that because that wasn't supposed to be there.
Never mind.
Never mind.
The details are actually going to be on the next slide. I apologize for that.
And there they are.
And there are the details. So for stepping away from your screens for these days, here are some ideas. You can do whatever you want as long as it doesn't involve looking at a screen. So choose as many things as you want. So some options include getting a piece of paper and writing someone a letter, playing a board game, doing some origami, taking some cool pictures, having a spa day, call someone you haven't seen in a while. You should look through these options because there are so many fun things that maybe you wouldn't have thought of on your own, but they can be really fun opportunities for you.
And I think that we should do some too because these look pretty fun.
I agree.
I'm learning how to play the harmonica. I'm going to practice that.
And so once you do those activities, what do you do now? So now you can finally use your screen again, but very, very briefly. So you can go to the Google form. There's a link to it to the right. And from that Google form, you can report back to your teachers, tell us what you've done. The Google form looks like this. Yeah, so you just check a box for what you did and describe how they went in the bottom and how they made you feel, what you enjoyed and didn't enjoy. and it's super easy, but we want you guys to spend time doing things other than staring at a screen or doing your typical schoolwork.
And then finally, on Thursday or Friday, you are going to report back to us with Flipgrid. So, yay. So it says
to see your faces.
Our favorite thing.
Uh-huh.
So it says that you've had a chance to watch the video and see the infographic and learn all ways that people are being positive. And now using Flipgrid, you're going to tell us 3 positive things that have happened for you during either this week where you've been practicing being positive, or it could be any time that you've been learning remotely. So just 3 things that have been really positive in your life right now. And the link for Flipgrid is right here. So you just click on that and it'll take you right where you need to be. Record a video, and that's that. So pretty easy week, all focusing on staying positive and getting away from your computers and phones and whatever other screens you might have.
And don't forget to stop in and see us on Wednesday mornings.
Oh yeah.
We would love to see your faces, just to visit with us either at 9:30 or 10:30, depending on what class you're in. So
right. Yeah, so last week we had quite a few in our first session, but only 2 in our second session, which was nice that we got some one-on-one time with those 2, but we'd love to see more of you.
Yes, we would, just because we miss you.
All right, we hope you have a great week focusing on being positive, and we will see you back here next week, same time, same place.
All right, bye.
Bye.